Hello guys, today I will talk about how the internet works. Let's start with the basics. What is the internet? The internet can be defined as a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard internet protocol suite to link several billion devices worldwide. It is literally made up of more than 5 billion computers worldwide. The Internet Protocol Suite is a computer networking model and communications protocol used in the internet and similar computer networks. It is commonly known as TCP or IP because its most important protocols, the Transmission Control Protocol, also known as TCP, and the Internet Protocol, the IP, were the first networking protocols defined in the standard. The Internet also carries an extensive range of information resources and services, such as the interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web, the infrastructure to support email, and peer-to-peer networks for file sharing and telephony. And the computer network is a telecommunications network that allows computers to exchange data. An example of this can be 2 or more computers connected through a cable or a wire. One question people might ask is, how does information travel from one computer through the internet and back? This is simple. This is done in 3 simple steps: packaging data, interconnected data, and data path. Firstly, this is done by using HTTP, which is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol first connects to POP, which is the point of presence, and then is connected to NAP, which is Network Access Point. The data is packaged by cutting or chunking them into smaller pieces for them to be sent. After the data has been cut, it is then sent to the point of presence and Network Access Point. The data is also given an IP address, which helps in its location and addressing. Routers play a huge role in interconnected data. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. In the end, once the data reaches its final destination, its cut or chunked pieces are then reformed to give the full complete data in one piece. Now, a question that a lot of people ask is, what is the difference between LAN and WAN? Well, LAN stands for Local Area Network, which is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area such as a home, school, or an office. While WAN stands for Wide Area Network, which is also a computer network, but interconnects computers to huge and broad areas around the world. Another thing that people ask is, what is a server? A server is a system that responds to requests across the computer network to provide a network service. In relation to this, people ask, what is an ISP? An ISP is an internet service provider, which is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the internet. Examples of this in Saudi Arabia can be companies such as STC, Mobile, or Zain. What is a client? A client is a piece of computer hardware or software that accesses a service made available by a server. In other words, the computers we are using. In conclusion, many people ask, is sending information through the internet truly private? How does one know? To answer directly, no, it is never private. Data that we send is usually sent through routers. Sometimes these routers save that data and can decide to hold it as long as it needs. This has been a Powtoon by Harry, and thank you.
Created using Powtoon.